Indies cricketers are off to the wars again, this time in the ODI series against Pakistan. The Windies are ranked way down at number 10 in ODI cricket. So this is actually our worst format, coming on the heels of the batterings in the Test and T20 series against Australia and Pakistan, where Darren Sammy and his boys lost 10 of the last 11 international games, all playing at home if we count the games played in Florida. So to say their confidence should be shattered is putting it mildly. Looking at the body language of the West Indies players in the last couple of games, they look like they wanted to be somewhere else instead of playing for the West Indies. They look deflated, like they wanted a break from cricket. But guess what? It's Pakistan. Yes. Pakistan we are playing. Pakistan come in like we. Yes, we have a chance. It's Pakistan.